Nike Basketball is set to release a striking new GT Cut 3 colorway as part of its upcoming collection. Building on the bold design language seen in the GT Hustle 3, this version of the GT Cut 3 makes a statement with oversized ZoomX text along the lateral midsole, highlighting its status as the first Nike basketball model to feature ZoomX cushioning. The premium foam appears in a vivid lightning yellow, complemented by a gradient outsole that shifts from washed coral at the toe to mint foam at the heel. The upper continues the energetic theme with dominant washed coral and bright mango hues, while gradient swooshes in lightning and mint foam add dynamic contrast. Set to launch in fall 2025 for $200, the Nike GT Cut 3 bright mango, mint foam, washed coral, lightning and black blends elite performance with eye-catching style.